So this morning I woke up to headlines saying that they shot up a funeral. Like, at this Jamaica gone to? Like, somebody's trying to mourn someone's death and you can't even do that in peace. They're shooting up funerals. And the article goes something like this. Gunman a short while ago attacked mourners at a funeral at King's Chapel on Windward Road in Kingston, killing 2 people and injuring 7 others. The victims attended a funeral for Romain Anthony White, 30, when gunshot rang out. The gunman reportedly traveled in cars and on motorbikes. Mourners reportedly managed to corner one of the attackers and rain blows on him. He was, however, rescued by the police and has been taken to the KPH, where he is in their custody. White, a HIGGLER, was stabbed to death more than a month ago on Beckford Street in downtown Kingston in a dispute over a parking space. That part didn't make no sense to me. Chief Executive Officer of the Kingston Public Hospital, Errol Green, said 2 of the victims were taken into surgery and the others were being treated in the incident and emergency area. Meanwhile, senior medical officers at KPH, Dr. Natalia Wheely, said the incident resulted in additional surgeries and nurses being summoned for duty. In addition, Wheely said 4 emergency theaters has been open. Usually on a weekend we have 1 emergency theater that's open. We had to open 4 to ensure that the hospital can respond to what is taking place, she said. We have also mobilized the emergency laboratory service because we need additional resources, including blood, Wheely added. So this guy that was supposedly a HIGGLER selling stuff in a market in downtown Kingston was stabbed to death because of parking space. And for me personally, that doesn't make much sense. Who gets killed over a parking space in Jamaica? I feel like something deeper is behind the stabbing. And know that people were shot up at this man's funeral, there is definitely something deeper to this story than meets the eye or that's being reported. But that's neither here nor there. Not only did people die in this process, there was another story that caught my attention where it says a man's I can't even talk. Think I've done too much videos today and my mind is going blank. A man's body was found in a barrel, and the story goes, the body of a man who is believed to be of unsound mind was found in a head wound in a barrel in Port Antonio, Portland on Monday morning. The deceased has only been identified by his alias TT. Initial police reports are that sometime after 7 a.m., residents saw a barrel close to the premises on Harris Crescent and went to investigate. The residents discovered the body of the man inside the container with the head bashed in. The police were summoned and the body later removed to the morgue. Police sources have indicated they are at this time seeking a man who they believe can assist with their probe into the incident. Further investigations are ongoing. So, not only did these people get shot up at the funeral, a man's body was found in a barrel, which is very disturbing, and this goes to show that mental illness and mental awareness in Jamaica needs to be addressed sooner rather than later, because they claim that this man was of unsound mind. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about these stories. Tell me what you think about this. People getting killed at a funeral, them shoot up the funeral, 2 people dead, 7 injured. And tell me what you guys think about this man's body that was found in a barrel in Port Antonio. Do you think there's something else behind it? Do you think someone just killed him for killing sake, or did you think that he did something like rape a kid or fight somebody or beat up somebody? You know how people of unsound mind always acting erratic and crazy. Comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.